Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here doing another video. And this is actually going to be a part two to a video that we released previously on the channel where we discussed copy trading. For those of you out there who are unfamiliar with copy trading, in that video, we fully explained what is copy trading, how it works, and everything like that. So right now in the part two of the video, we're going to be speaking about, can you really make money off of copy trading? Another thing that I want to point out is if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, you might definitely want to go ahead and get subscribed to the channel, because I believe it was either sometime last year, it might have even been year before last in 2023, we were doing some experiments with copy trading, and I made several different videos here on this YouTube channel that documented the journey really of my copy trades, the ups and downs of it. And when I was making those videos, what I definitely feel is important to note is that I was new to copy trading. I have been day trading and swing trading, everything like that, for several years. But when it comes to copy trading, it was something that was new to me, and I was documenting the process, making those different videos on YouTube so that we can see together how it actually works. Now, one thing that I definitely want to point out is that the overall conclusion, I can sum it up for you guys if you guys don't decide to go back and watch those videos, but overall, I do feel that yes, when it comes to copy trading, and whether it be Forex or crypto, whichever exchange that you choose to do this on, it can definitely be something that is profitable. One thing that I do definitely want to point out to you, though, is that whatever exchange you're using, whatever different traders you're considering allocating funds to go ahead and copy their trades, you're definitely going to want to do your research and see, how long has this trader been around, what's the win rate, what kind of trades are they taking, and so on and so forth. You just don't want to allocate funds to anybody. That's number one. The second thing that I definitely want to point out to you, if you want to make sure that you're actually making money, when it comes to copy trades, I definitely would recommend people who are at least newbies to day trading. You have some kind of knowledge of day trading, it will make it a tad bit different for you. Now, don't get me wrong, if you don't have this knowledge, I'm not saying that you shouldn't participate when it comes to copy tradings, but hear me out just a tad bit here. You might be going, about life, not really paying attention to the charts day by day, but you get notifications throughout the day when the trader that you're copying is entering positions, and you will also have the ability to see these trades while they're running inside. The reason why I say you will have just a little bit of a leg up if you have some kind of knowledge of day trading, looking at charts on TradingView and things like that, because when the person you're copying, it's kind of like a back test just a little bit to it, because look at it this way. If you have no knowledge, therefore, there's no way that you could look at this open trade and then now flip on over to TradingView, take a look at the charts, and say, you know what? I don't think this is a good trade, or either, because I've had it happen to me where I'm copy trading, I'm looking at a trade that this trader has opened, and it may not necessarily be a bad trade, but one thing that I did see often was it's like, hey, I don't know if this trader fell asleep at the wheel, but this happens to look like a nice place where we should either be looking to take profit on this trade or go ahead and close this trade out completely. And the one cool thing about when you have your account set up to copy trade is that when the trade opens and you see it, not only the trader that made that trade has full access over it, you within your trading account do also have the ability to make edits, take money out, deleverage it, or take profit, or even close that trade completely. It's not just solely up to, whoever the trader is that you're copying it on that. You do have, control over the trade as well, which is definitely a feature that I consider to be cool, because That is the main thing that I think I mentioned back when I was making those copy trade videos. If I didn't, I definitely wanted to go ahead and put it into this video. Now, the third thing that I am going to mention to you guys about copy trading, and yes, you can make money, right? You have to be able, just like, I preach in my day trading course. If you guys are interested in that, links down below this video in the description. Risk management is a big factor. If you look and the person that you're copying has a habit of not using stop losses, this is definitely going to be a trader that you're going to want to keep your eye on the different trades that this trader is that for the most part, one thing that you're definitely going to notice is different swings within the market. Because let's be honest, I'm going to say this and I'm going to make it as a bold statement, right? If one of these traders that you're copying, and I'm probably going to also do this in a separate video because I don't want to really make this video too long, right? If you have this amazing day trader out there, he's profitable, right? Most of the day traders that you're copying, you have to think about it from this perspective also. What are they getting out of it? Most of these exchanges are offering up 10 to 20% of the profits going to that trader, and everyone who has allocated funds to that trader gets the other 80 or 90%, whatever the case may be. Now, don't get me wrong. If you have a trader, just like day traders that go up for prop firm accounts, you might actually have a successful trader out there who is looking to trade with more capital. So, hence this is the reason why he's on the exchange offering up his service for you guys to copy him, right? But one thing that I definitely want you to keep in the back of your mind is that most of the traders that you're considering to copy, they're okay traders. Have they found a little bit of profitability? Yes, they have. But the question is that have they stood the test of time? And when I say test of time, I'm speaking about some years of being profitable in the market. So when you look at things from that scenario, you may have a trader that you're copying where they may have several weeks or several months where they're banging out trades and they're profitable. They may also have several weeks or several months where they're not and they're losing trades. And the main number one thing to take into consideration is that when you're on these exchanges looking for that profitable trader for you to copy, the exchanges are always showing you up at the top the list of the traders who have been profitable over the last 7 days or the last 30 days. All of the different traders who've sucked over the last 7 days or 30 days are at the bottom of the list. It just could very well be at the moment that you're looking for this magical trader to make you all of these different profits. One thing to take into consideration is that you could just be seeing all the guys that are on a hot streak right now, and then down below at the bottom, everyone who's gotten, in the negative, trading in the red for the last 7 days or 30 days, they're down at the bottom and it just hasn't been their time. So I want you guys, when you're considering a trader to copy, that's definitely something that you want to keep in mind. Do me a favor, guys. If you have any questions, want me to elaborate on some things, do feel free to go down below in the comments. Let me know what your questions are. And like I mentioned previously in the video, if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, do definitely go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. I am out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.